Yeah, guys, this Mick, please support for Mr. Mick. Okay, have a great chef. Tasty food doing okay. How about you? Yeah, this Mr. Mick, guys, please support also in her channel. Okay, and that I am Sir Winston, guys. Please support for Sir Winston also. Have upcoming live stream for Sir Winston. Winston. Because I will. See. No internet. I brought already. Thanks, sir. I put already. Sagar. Oo, relax. Huwag kang masyadong magtrabaho at huwag kang matulog sa pamamalansa. Haha. Ah, Eldora, hello, Eldora, shout out. Thank you, Eldora, my friend. How are you, Matilda? I'm good, Eldoro. GR Collection, my friend, how are you? But you know, PMC, I will sleep the PMC because I'm very sleepy. But I will close the iron, and I will put there because I have this one. Where that one? Oh, yeah, this, see? This for the iron. But now it's okay. Finish this one. See? Like this. This for the iron, the corner, this one. Because I sleep that time. Yeah. I sleep empty like this, I make like this. Oh my God, Lord, what happened this? Romay, hello, shout out, friend. Help me to only need it to 13K from GR. Yeah, because not enough my sleep. That's why. Guys, just 3 minutes me, guys. I will end na, guys, after 3 minutes. PMC, thank you. Junior, my friend, hello, and Eldoro, shout out, Yeah, guys, because I will go back in my work, guys. I don't have more time now. And night time, I have more time. But this time, this live stream for me and afternoon in Saudi Arabia is very little my time because I working again. 4 o'clock, I will come back there. Huwag kang matulog na may hawak na bakal. Delikado. Papadala ko ang ambulansya doon kung kailangan. Yeah, PMC, the time PMC because the doctor have work. That's why I make iron her dress for the doctora. I hold I like this the iron and I will take something there. That's why coming here the iron. This also this one, yeah. But not more now, little. I don't know, I put something for remove this. I am free today, Marites, weekend. Oh, Eldoro, thank you, my friend, Yeah, GR Noors, and nighttime I will give you 10 banana in nighttime, morning for you maybe. I'm here watching prepared lunch. Okay. Guys, and this S and Italy, please put for S, okay? Yeah, guys, you know, I don't have enough time, guys, Thank you for staying here in my live. Oh, God bless everyone, guys, and love you all, guys, okay? Because I don't have more time.